Dear friends, today we have our English class from our Victor's channel and also adding some parts from our OUPS On Life. Let us listen the class and all of you prepare the activities. എല്ലാവരും ക്ലാസ് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ട് അവസാനം പറയുന്ന പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.
Hello, my dear children. How are you? Fine. Are you happy? Yes, I know all of you are very happy because you have plenty of time at your home. പക്ഷേ ടി വിയിൽ വരുന്ന സിനിമകൾ കണ്ട് മതിയായി അല്ലേ? ശരിയല്ലേ ടീച്ചർ പറഞ്ഞത്? പറ, ശരിയല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെയെങ്കിൽ what about watching a new film now? Are you ready? Yeah? Yes, very good. It is not a Malayalam film, but a film with much specialities. Okay? Yeah, I can't hear your voice. Yes, come on. Yes, what are the specialities? Do you want to know? Sorry dears. I won't say its specialities. Let's watch the movie, okay? Dears, you have got one speciality. What's that? Yes, very good. It is a black and white film. The film was made some years ago. There was no color photography at that time. Got it? So, this is one of the specialities. Okay, then see dears, whom do you see in the film clip here? A girl and a boy. Okay, where are they going? They are going to see the train. They are watching a train for the first time in their life. Do you know the names of the children? Yeah, they are Abu and Durga. They are the main characters in the film. ലോകപ്രശസ്തമായ ഒരു സിനിമയിലെ രംഗമാണ് കൂട്ടുകാർ ഇപ്പോൾ കണ്ടത്. Do you know the title of the film? No? Okay, don't worry. The film is Pather Panchali. See children, Pather Panchali is actually a novel written by Bibhuti Bhushan Bandhopadhyay. Okay, he was a Bengali writer, but the title became more famous as a film. Satyajit Ray made this novel into a film. He is the most famous Indian film director. സത്യജിത്ത് റായെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ജന്മശതാബ്ദി വർഷമാണ് 2020. So, let's watch the video about Satyajit Ray. Okay, watch it.
Satyajit Ray was an Indian film director, writer and illustrator. He was one of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century. Ray was born in Calcutta on 2nd May 1921. His parents were Sukumar and Suprabha Ray. After his study at Shantiniketan, Ray started his career as a designer and illustrator in an advertising agency. Later, he was inspired by cinema, which changed his future. Ray directed 36 films, including feature films, documentaries, and short films. He was also a writer, publisher, illustrator, music composer, graphic designer, and film critic. He authored several short stories and novels meant primarily for young children and teenagers. Ray's first film Human Document Award at the 1956 Cannes Film Festival. Ray did the scripting, casting, background music and editing, and designed his own film titles and publicity material. Ray received many major awards in his career, including 32 Indian National Film Awards, a Golden Lion, a Golden Bear, 2 Silver Bears, a number of additional awards at international film festival and award ceremonies, and an honorary Oscar award in 1992. The government of India honored him with the Bharat Ratna in 1992. Ray had received many noticeable awards and gained a prestigious position over his lifetime.
Dears, you have seen the profile of Satyajit Ray. Let's come back to the film clips. Okay. Abu and Durga are the main characters in the film Padir Panchali. These two characters also became very popular to the film lovers in the world. Oh, I didn't tell more about them. Do you want to know? Yes, okay, I will tell you. Are you ready? Okay. Durga is Apu's elder sister. They went to see the train. See, the railway track was far, far away. They went there without telling their parents. The place was unknown to them. They hadn't gone there before. It was really an adventurous journey. അച്ഛനും അമ്മയും അറിയാതെ നിങ്ങളും ചില സാഹസങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ശരിയല്ലേ ടീച്ചർ പറഞ്ഞത്? ദാ കണ്ട ചില കൂട്ടുകാരൊക്കെ മുഖം പൊത്തി ചിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. കാണുന്നുണ്ട് ടീച്ചറെ കേട്ടോ. What were your adventure? Come on, tell me. Come on, I can't hear your voice. Say loudly, dears. Yes, playing in the rain. Then, very good, swimming in the pond. Then, climbing trees without your parents know that, right? Shall I tell your parents? No? Okay. Here, Apu and Durga did many adventures in their life. If you want, I will tell the story. Are you ready? Okay? Ready? Come on, say. Yes. Okay. It was 8 in the morning. Apu was playing himself in the veranda of their house.
Abu! Abu!
His sister called out suddenly from behind a jackfruit tree in their courtyard. She had been away from home all morning, but just now only she made an appearance. Durga was now about 11. She was thin and darker than Apu. Glass bangles clinking on her arms. She wore a sari that was not much clean. Her dried, uncombed hair swept in the wind. She had a finely shaped face and her eyes shone large like her brother's. What's it? Asked Apu, jumping off the veranda and coming up to her. Durga held a coconut shell in her hands. She lowered it to show Apu its contents. Slice of tender green mango. Is Ma back from the gut yet? She asked in a whispering voice. No, said Apu. shaking his head. Can you get me a bit of oil and salt? She asked him secretly. I will make mango pickle. Where did you get them, Didi? Appu was delighted. They were lying on the ground just under the Sindurkundo tree. Now, get me a pinch of salt and some oil. Will you? But Ma will give it to me if I bring down the oil pot from the shelf, replied Appu. Run and get it fast. Do it before she's back. She has gone to wash the clothes. Hurry up. Give me the shell. I will pour it into the shell. You stand by the back door and keep a lookout. Mind you, don't spill any oil on the floor. Better be careful. Otherwise, Ma will know for sure. You are such a good for nothing. When Appu came out of the house, Durga took out the coconut shell from him and mixed the oil and salt into the mango slices. Here, show your hand. She put some slices on his hand. It's really tasty, said Appu. So, Durga and Appu were making a mango pickle. Do you like mango pickle? Your mouths are watering. I know. Can we make a mango pickle? Yes. But how to make a mango pickle? Sorry, I don't know. But how then? Let's do one thing. I have a friend. He's a chef. Shall we call him? Yes. Okay. Hello, Jim Jim. Come please. All my dears are waiting for you. Come on please.
Badrisa.
See, dears, this is our Jim Jim chef.
Yes, Appa.
He talks only in gibberish. Do you know gibberish? No? Don't worry. I'll manage it. Okay. Dears, give a welcome clap. Okay. How can we give a welcome clap? See, can you follow me? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Speed up. Okay. Okay.
Yes, Appa.
I shall translate. Okay.
Pa.
Okay. Come on.
Agris, Gamelodge, Akalibo, Pa.
Take a mango knife. Okay.
Agribo, Ak. Kalebaka.
Cut into pieces. See? Enough. Gadise.
Galaba. Galaba.
Cut into piece.
Indresu Ata, Akalibakapa.
Add some salt. See? Oh,
Indresu Kapa, Chakapaka.
add some chili powder.
Kapa.
Okay.
Indruso paka jamake, chapaka nada.
Yeah, okay. See, you don't spill any oil on the floor. If you spill the oil, you will slip down. So, better be careful.
आले माता दे चंपा सका चंपा सका चंपा सका.
Okay, then mix all these things.
चाकाली को दिवा.
Yeah.
चालाली को दिवा.
What a taste it is. Thank you, Jim.
सीखो पकड़े आपको तो मैं काट लिया.
Okay, then you can go your home and make a mango pickle. Okay. Yeah, Jim wants to go from here. Give a thanks to him. Okay.
लापा 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 लापा.
Okay, bye. Children, are you happy? Did you like our chef? Oh, okay, very good. Thank you, dears. Then, how does your mother make mango pickle? In the same way or in a different way? Oh, okay. You can ask your mother and describe the process of mango pickle and send it to your teacher. Okay? പിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന വിധം വീട്ടുകാരോട് ശരിക്കും ചോദിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് വേണം എഴുതാൻ. കേട്ടോ? Okay, dears. Let's come back to the story. What were Durga and Appu doing? Yes, they were tasting a mango pickle. Am I right? Yes. Do you like to hear what happened next? Our Appu and Durga are here. They will say,
shall we pickle these mangoes? Can you fetch me a bit of oil and some salt? Where did you get them from, Didi? They were lying under the Sindur Kunda tree. Now get me a pinch of salt and some oil, will you? But Didi, Ma will give it to me if I bring down the oil pot from the shelf. Run and get it fast, Appu. It will be a while before she's back. She has gone to wash the clothes. Run, run, hurry up. The shell? Give me the shell. I will pour it into the shell. You stand by the door and keep a lookout. Mind you, don't spill any oil on the floor. Better be careful. Otherwise, Ma will know more for sure. You are such a good for nothing. Here you are. Put out your hand. 1, 2. Only 2 pieces to me, Didi? Are you going to eat all the rest yourself? We need some chili. Can you get a nice chili from the kitchen? I will give you an extra slice if you do so. But how shall I get to the chilies, Didi? They are right upon the shelf. I can't even reach it. Don't bother. I'll get some more mangoes in the evening. You know, that tree by the pond. There is lots and lots of budding mangoes. They will fall off in the afternoon sun. That's Ma calling. Cube, go and see what's up. Finish it up over there. No, wait. You have got grains of salt all over your mouth. Wipe them away first.
പാവകളെ ഇഷ്ടമായോ കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക്? ഇതുപോലെ അവതരിപ്പിക്കാൻ കഴിയുമോ? ഒന്ന് ശ്രമിച്ചു നോക്കണേ. Okay. Durga heard her mother calling out. But can Durga reply? No. Do you know why? Yes. Very good. You are right. Her mouth was full with mango slices. She began furiously devouring the slices of pickled mangoes. Do you know what is furiously devouring? No idea? Don't worry. Eat like this manner. Like this. Okay. Eating very quickly. Appu also frantically swallowed his share of mango pickle. There was no time to chew. So he swallowed them. Like this. Swallowed. Now their mother came back. Why did she call Durga? We know Durga was not at home since morning. Let's listen to some of our friends.
Sometimes she may be called to her for fetching water from the well or to clean the house. I think so.
I think Durga's mother called her to collect some firewood for making supper.
So, these are our friends' response. What's your idea? This story is in your textbook. See page number 27 of the text. Don't you see the story? What is the title? Yes, making a mango pickle. Okay, read the whole story. Don't forget to write the events of the story. Okay, I know you are waiting for the task. First one is read the story making a mango pickle. Then second one is write the main events of the story. Then third one is describe the process of making a mango pickle. Okay, see you in your next class. Bye.
പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, നിങ്ങൾ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസൊക്കെ കണ്ടല്ലോ. അതിൻ്റെ അവസാനം മേക്കിംഗ് എ മാംഗോ പിക്കിൾ, പ്രിപ്പയർ ദ പ്രോസസ് അല്ലേ, എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു മാംഗോ പിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക. നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ റിൻഷ നെഹറിൻ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് മാംഗോ പിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക എന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ച്. ഞാൻ പറയാതെ തന്നെ അവൾ സ്വയം ഉണ്ടാക്കി എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തന്നതായിരുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും കാണാം. ഓക്കെ.
Hello friends, my name is Rinsha Nehri. Let's go to make the mango pickle. Are you ready? Welcome to the show. Take some mango, cut pieces. Add some chili powder first. Add some salt. And add oil. All this mix. This very tasty. My all friends, you make this mango pickle. Okay, bye bye.
So dears, all of you watch the video, no? How was it? Very nice. Congratulations റിൻഷ. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും റിൻഷയെ അഭിനന്ദിക്കാം. വളരെ നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരും ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത് അയച്ചു തരിക. എല്ലാവർക്കും സാധിക്കും. സംശയങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തീർക്കുക, ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ആൾ.